Right, they tried to warn us when we were teenagers. We didn't listen. All that sunshine and sugar has wreaked havoc on our skin, and now those lines and wrinkles are taking over. They don't have to. Our next guest can help. Please welcome Thomas Pulice of Las Vegas Aesthetics. Did I say it right?
Yes, you did.
Yes. All right. So what is a premier medical spa?
Well, first off, thanks for having me.
Of course.
It's very exciting. A premier medical spa is basically, 20 years I've been doing this. And I started in New York doing open heart surgery.
Oh, wow. That's
for a whole lot of people, thousands of people. And it led me to a rather circuitous path out here doing non-surgical aesthetic and regenerative medicine. And through all those patients, and it's just been so many different instances of scenarios of different taking care of people and helping people look better, feel better about themselves. And I noticed when I was with the more sick patients that, surgery and all of that, it required just a lot of knowledge.
Yes, and you brought that knowledge to making us look better. And you mentioned regenerative medicine. I know you're one of only 500 regenerative medicine providers licensed to perform some of these vampire facials and things that we've heard about. But we're not going to talk about that today. We want to talk about, is it Dysport? Is that how you say it? Like fillers? Dysport. Thank you so much. I didn't know. So Dysport is kind of like Botox, right? That stops your muscles from contracting.
Correct. And it gives the person a more relaxed look. Anyone in sales or where they're a people person, they're dealing with people. We have pictures up over here.
Look at Restylane too. I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah, she came to me. Her issue was she looked tired. And she wanted a refreshed look. And then we put fillers in there. We put the arrows that are up on the top. Oh, we switched the picture.
Yeah, that's what I can't believe is the under eye, like the darkness.
Yeah.
And can you do that for me?
Yeah, pretty much. And that's what her complaint was. We wanted to get rid of the darkness under the eyes and just give her a more refreshed
look. What about
look.
Lips, though? Because I know that I've got these little tiny pixie lips, and I do whatever I can to try to make them bigger. And I know that you guys can use fillers as well. We have some before and afters of the lips, too. Wow.
Now, if you look at this one, the top left, the arrow coming in from the side, if you notice, the top part of her lip, the left picture, is higher than the right.
Oh, yeah.
She didn't know it. She did not know that. I pointed it out. And then the bottom left is the result, and the top right and bottom right are, you want them open. You want to see what they look like open as well.
And that scares me, lip fillers, because it can go wrong very easily. But I mean, the before and afters that you have and all of your customers, they look great. Thank you so much. There's so much that you can do with the fillers and Botox.
It can go wrong. That's why you have to go to someone who
knows what they're doing.
knows what they're doing, is knowledgeable, and been doing this for years, thousands and thousands of happy people.
Thank you so much for coming on. And you can check out Las Vegas Aesthetics. They're on Sahara Avenue. Give them a call, 702-664-1300, or click on VegasMedSpaOffers.com. Right now, you can get a full treatment of Dysport for $349, or 2 Restylane syringes and Dysport for just over $1,000, guys. Those are really good deals.